Now that you've accepted your offer to study at UWA College, it's time to start preparing for your adventure in Perth. First things first, it's important to check that your passport is up to date and valid for the entire duration of your studies in Australia. As an extra measure, we would also recommend that you leave a coloured photocopy of your passport with family or friends in your home country. International students coming to Australia must arrange overseas student health cover before beginning their studies. To keep things easy, you can choose for UWA College to organise your overseas student health cover when accepting your offer. If you choose to arrange your own overseas student health cover, this must be done before you can begin your visa application. Obtaining an Australian student visa is an important step to prepare for your studies. Once you've accepted your offer, our admissions team will send you an electronic confirmation of enrolment. Your confirmation of enrolment, or COE, is a vital document for your Australian visa application. If you're unsure about your visa application, be sure to check the official Australian Department of Home Affairs website for information and guidance. Organising your accommodation is the next important step as you prepare for your studies in Australia. Perth has a range of living options for you to choose from, including on-campus and city-based accommodations, homestays with Australian families, as well as independent accommodation options. To help you through the process, UWA College has a dedicated team to assist with finding and booking the right accommodation for you. Orientation is compulsory for all students, so it's important that you book your flights to arrive in time to attend in person. To make things easy when you arrive, UWA College can help you organise an airport pickup for the day of your arrival. Simply indicate in your registration form or at the time of accepting your offer that you would like assistance, and the team will be happy to help. Other great and easy options from the airport include public transport, Ubers, taxis, or a lift from family and friends who live in Perth already. Remember, if you're under 18, then you must arrange your airport pickup through UWA College. When you're packing your bags, remember to carry any important documents or items in your hand luggage. We recommend that you carry $500 Australian in cash, with additional money easily accessible on a debit or credit card to cover any initial costs when you first arrive. There's a lot to remember, so don't forget to check your emails regularly, as we'll be sending you useful information before you arrive, including what to pack and how to get ready for orientation. If you've got any questions along the way, don't be afraid to get in touch. The UWA College team are always here to help. We can't wait to welcome you to Perth.